Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is what I'm going to use. I'm using this big ass gel because we're going to use a lot of gel, and all the products and tools will be listed down below. So let's get started. So this is pretty self-explanatory, and why I'm saying that because it's a repeat process. You do the same thing all over your head, but as you can see, my hair, I don't completely wet my hair with the water, but I do use a little bit of water. So what you're gonna do with your hair moisturized, you just need to use a little bit of water, then apply some gel, and then smoothing smooth the gel in with a brush, paddle brush, any brush that you can use, bristle brush, and then with like a comb, you just make sure that the gel is like really at the root of your hair, uh, also at the end of your hair. So you want to completely saturate your hair with the gel, but you don't want this at the point that your hair is really like watery, if you know what I mean. So I make sure to go in section, and I use the same thing all over again. And the first tips I want to say is that make sure your hair is detangled before, during, and after. What I mean by that is that when you apply your hair is already detangled because you already moisturize your hair. And by the way, my hair is 1 week dirty, so I just washed out the gel from my previous hairstyle, and then I did this hairstyle. So yeah, make sure that your hair is detangled. What I mean by that is that you need to detangle your hair. Then when you apply the gel, you need to also detangle your hair, so your hair can really smooth. The hair can be really smooth, and it can be manageable and sleek, all that. And even if the hair is completely done, you need to use the bristle brush to smooth the hair. That's how you're going to really slick your natural 4C type 4 hair with a lot of gel, a little bit of water, but you can use a lot of water. But keep in mind that it will get days to finally dries off. So yeah. So at the top of my hair, of my head, I use a lot of gel because I want this part to be really slick. Like when I tell you slick, that I mean slick, because I'm going to wear this hairstyle like all my style for 1 week. like 7 days and I don't want to redo my hair. I want my hair to last. That's why I'm sleeping with my head wrap and all that. So that's why I'm doing all this extra stuff. But if you want the hair to last for like 2 days or one or 2 days, you should need to use separate your hair in two sections and then apply the gel. It will be much easier, if especially if you got thicker hair like mine. But for me, I wanted for the hair to last really longer than that and with minimal touch to the hair. Now I'm doing my side part because I think side part are really nice. Like middle part is like, middle part. And then I'm using the Gorilla's Nut, and this is a shout out to Chris Hussein. Anyway, this is a big YouTuber that said that it's a big key to use Gorilla's Nut at the top of your hair. But I started to use that. But the main key for the slick down is the beeswax, Murray's beeswax. And what I say, because this is going to even if you're running, if you're doing all these kind of activities, this is going to keep your hair like locked down. It's going to be your keep your hair like slick down if you sleep correctly at night. Like this is like the best tip I can ever give you. When you finish to apply your gel is to use Murray's. You don't even have to use the Gorilla's Nut, but just use Murray's, you will be good. Now this is the next thing I incorporate in my slick down routine. I use this gel that I normally use for my wigs, but this is going to hold your edges like crazy. So I saw another video, another girl that uses the this gel to slick the front of their hair, and let me tell you, this works wonder. It's like my second day with the hair, and my edges are still like the same position. So I mean, I can't wait to see how long the edges will hold up. So yeah, I think this is the best tip. Also, the third tips I get again to use yeah, the gel, the black one. This is going to hold your the front of your hair really nice. This is the tip number 4 or 5. Anyways, this is another tip. You just need to set your hair for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or 1 hour to 2 hours. Well, me, because my battery is going to die, was going to die, and I didn't want to sleep, and I needed to go to the gym. So I went to the gym with my scarf on, and then I do my things. And so fast forward, I waited 2 hours or even 2 hours and 30 minutes. So tada! You see how the hair is slick? That is the main goal. This is like the ultimate slick down. Like if you want to see also how I apply my curly ponytail, just click the link below. This is my in-depth how I slick down for hair, because guess what? type 4 hair can definitely be slicked down. Like, I don't know what lies people tell, but you see, this is the proof. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the video, the link about this curly ponytail, and I will see you next in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.